Hello and welcome. If you're learning MarTech or English for digital marketing in MarTech, you're at the right place. Today we're talking about something really interesting and very exciting, MarTech and generative AI. Let's start with the basics. MarTech means marketing technologies. These are the tools and platforms we use to plan, run, and measure marketing campaigns. So tools like HubSpot, MailChimp, Google Analytics, and even SEO platforms, all of them are part of MarTech. Now let's add generative AI to the mix. So generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create content. It can write emails, social media posts, headlines, ad copy, and even videos and images. So you've probably heard of tools like ChatGPT or Midjourney. These are all examples of generative AI. So what happens when we add and bring generative AI into MarTech? Well, we get smarter, faster, and get closer to more personalized marketing. And there are three ways. And here are three ways generative AI is transforming MarTech. First, content creation at scale. With AI, marketers can quickly create blog posts, emails, and product descriptions. This helps save time and money. It's great for A/B testing too. You can generate 3-4 versions of headline or ad and test what works best. Second, personalized customer experience. AI can help us create personalized messages for different users. Based on their behavior, interests, or purchase history, AI tools can suggest the best message, product, or offer for each person. And for example, instead of sending one generic message to 10,000 users, AI helps send 10,000 slightly different emails, each one tailored to person reading it. And third, smarter campaign optimization. AI tools can create data faster than any human team. They can suggest which channels perform best, what time to post, or what kind of content gets more clicks. Marketers can use this information to improve their campaigns in real life. But here's one thing to remember. AI is a tool, not replacement. And we need humans to add creativity, emotion, and strategy. So think of AI as your assistant and not your boss. So if you're studying digital marketing or MarTech, now is a great time to learn how to use AI tools in smart ways and improve your English along the way. So want to practice more English with real marketing topics? Don't forget to subscribe and check out free exercises in the descriptions there for digital specialists. So thanks for watching and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.